Assalamu alaikum. This video is about Arduino basic programming structure, how to upload a sketch in Arduino UNO and how to simulate. Arduino IDE. You can zoom in or out by pressing Ctrl and scrolling. Now we will see the basic programming structure. As you can see, two functions are here. By default you will get them. One is void setup and another is void loop. As both functions will not return any values, so both are void. See, no parameter is here for both functions, so don't need any argument here. Put your setup code here to run once. This function will execute once. In loop, code will run over and over. Let's say in Arduino's microcontroller there is a 20 MHz crystal. For 20 MHz crystal, it can read 20 million instructions per second in loop function. If you don't use both functions, then you will get compiling error. Setup function comes first, then loop function. Generally, setup function used for initialize variables, pin modes, start using libraries, serial communication with computer, display initialization and default message showing in alphanumeric 7-segment display, and so on. Which instruction will execute over and over, they will be written in loop function. This is a command line. Arduino will not consider it as instruction. Use / for command line. Let's try our first code. You will get many examples here. I'm selecting blink. A new window has come. Let's see what is inside of this. See, here is a documentation. For multiple lines you can just use / before the documentation and after the documentation. Between two / all are considered as command line, so Arduino will not consider it as instruction. As I told, in void setup function, one pin mode has been declared, which is output pin. Pin mode LED built in. Most Arduinos have an onboard LED you can control. As we are using Arduino UNO, it is attached to digital pin 13. So LED built in means pin 13 of Arduino UNO. Pin 13 is declared as output pin. One thing you need to know that Arduino sketch is case sensitive. Let's write small l here. You see, it is no longer instruction now. Use a semicolon after each line. So we have declared pin 13 as output pin. It will run just once. The loop function runs over and over again forever until we reset the Arduino or power it off. Till then loop will be running. Digital write LED built in high means pin 13 is high. Delay 1000, it means delay time 1000 millisecond or 1 second. Pin 13 is high for 1000 millisecond. Then digital write LED built in low means pin 13 is low. Delay 1000 millisecond. Here pin 13 is low for 1000 millisecond. I'm checking for compiling error. No error is here. Now I'm connecting an Arduino UNO with my computer. Select Arduino UNO from board and select your COM port over here. Click on upload. Uploading. Done uploading. See, built-in LED is blinking. 1000 millisecond on and 1000 millisecond off. I'm changing delay value. Uploading again. Done upload. Now LED is blinking according to instruction. See, built-in LED is just beside of pin 13. I'm changing value again. As LED built-in means pin 13. So I'll write 13 instead of LED built-in. See, no compilation error showing, so we can declare this way as well. Now I'll show you simulation from Proteus. Pick device, type Arduino. All Arduinos are here. I'm picking Arduino UNO. You can rotate Arduino. Yellow color LED is better looking. I'll connect LED with pin 13. Pick ground from terminals mode. I've saved sketch here, but see, nothing appearing here. Only this extension file can be meshed. See carefully, I'm converting the code to hex extension. My hex file is ready. Select. Now run simulation. Simulation is looking just like hardware. I'm changing value. For every single change of code, you have to export again, else nothing will change in simulation. Simulation is doing good.
Now let's change the output pin number.
Pin 12 is now output pin. Pin 12 is showing high and low. Now I'll connect LED with pin 12. The LED is blinking. Hope you have clearly understood about Arduino programming structure, case uploading in Arduino, and simulation. See you in next tutorial inshallah. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.